Presenting the Demo-Dozer multi-tool bucket for skid steers. Demo-Dozer is a 4-in-1 bucket. Grab, tear, and clamp down on any material. A high-volume bucket. The high sides allow you to completely fill the bucket with material. A dozer blade. The enclosed blades on the front allow you to push dirt whenever you need to. A grapple bucket. Clamp down on almost any object. For complex chores like demolition, work with a speed and precision you've only dreamed of before. Demo-Dozer packs an arsenal of attachments into one unit. For demolition, excavation, landscaping, and grading, Demo-Dozer is the right tool for the job. Demo-Dozer turns a skid steer into a powerhouse that can do more in less time with less manual labor and less cost. And for operators, that means increased profit. Demo-Dozer works for you because there are fewer expensive limited-use attachments to buy and transport, less fuel consumption, less wear and tear on tow vehicles and trailer. And once on the job, you have less time in bucket changeouts and less manual labor. You leave with a cleaner job site and complete the job in less time. The Demo-Dozer ships complete with a smooth cutting edge. An optional serrated Reslo edge is available. Demo-Dozer was designed by a pool demolition contractor. Years of tough daily use went into refining the design. Hoses are buried in the framework. The cylinders are completely covered. The unit is rugged A50 grade steel or better. But above all, Demo-Dozer is practical. Demo-Dozer makes sophisticated operations simple. Just look at how the hook on the side of the blades can be used to disassemble even large trees. So don't wait. Contact Demo-Dozer today and add the Demo-Dozer multi-tool bucket to your skid steer.